Take them while you can because they're going to go very quickly. I've got links to all of those below so you can get best deals. Good luck. Hi, my name is Roxanne. I go by RoxTalksShow, and today I'm going to give you a super secret look into a special deal that's coming up on QVC. Now, is it coming up? And it's going to be good for one day. It's called Today's Special Value, and when they have it out of sale, I have news for you. It's going to go like quickness. So I'm going to get this video out for you so you can see exactly what's going on, what you can get, and give you a chance to get it. Now, here's the deal. Just ahead of time, I tell you, follow the links that are going to be below. That's going to get it to you quickly because I'm telling you, when the clock strikes midnight on Thursday, these are going to go with the quickness, and you're going to be sad if you don't grab them. These are Wicker Park. They're the beautiful spheres, and they're artificial, as you can see. These are great for indoor and outdoor. They can be styled in so many different ways. In fact, they just actually even pull apart, and they come in different designs. I've got your purple lavender right here. Here's your boxwood. It also comes in a red geranium, which is a new look for this year. It comes in a pink geranium as well, too, for my pink lovers. And somewhere out there, it also comes in, I don't have it to show you, but you can get the gist, in the white lavender as well. These are 15 inches, as I mentioned, and I'm going to show you how we can style them. Also, some of the secrets that make these so great. But before I forget, let me also add, there are companion pieces to these as well, too. So you can get the wreath that goes along with it. Hello, wonderful. So you can have it matchy-matchy. You can also take home the hanging baskets that match. Now, I've been shopping on QVC for over 3 decades, so I can tell you something that I've learned the hard way. Before, when you see the hanging basket or the wreath, they always actually order fewer of those. They're going to go more quickly. So I'm just telling you this now. So if you're like, wait a moment, you have time to plan and make sure you grab those because they're going to go quickly as well too. All details are below as well. By the way, I've just started a RoxTalksShow Substack, giving you a chance to really see all of the great deals like this if you're loving them, plus more all around the shopping world. So be sure to subscribe to that as well too, so you can get the inside scoop ahead of time. P.S. And by the way, I go live every day right now on TikTok. I also go live on Amazon. I have a special Amazon surprise shows coming up here pretty soon. So you want to find out all those deals on Substack. But I go live showing you all of the great things for your home, giving you the best deals, the best values, and making sure that your home is exactly what you imagine it to be. So be sure to follow me, subscribe, and also I'm on a goal to get 3,000 hours of viewing time this year or faster. So if you'd really watch my videos, I'd really appreciate it. One easy way to style these beautiful Wicker Park spheres is to actually put them in urns. And that's one of the things I love about the size, because you can do that with ease right here. I have them in 3 different size urns, some of them are quite large as well too. And you can see I can pop them in because of that. But I like the way that if you have a few different urns, putting a few of them together, it brings together the vignette. I think it looks so stylish. And it adds to the glamour. Now, I'm not someone who has a green thumb, so I'm loving the idea that it does not matter. Green thumb not required, because I can easily style this, as you can see, by just popping some artificial plants in those urns, and all of a sudden I look like I know exactly what I'm doing. I did get all of these pieces from QVC, just in case you're wondering. Right here as well, too, the urns. Yeah, all 3 of them, I got them from QVC. Aren't they pretty, though? So I took the purple lavender, I took your boxwood, and I took your red geranium to style those. So this is an indoor kind of feel that can give a sunroom or a bedroom or even the living room kind of a little extra pizzazz and pop of color for the season. Now, for an outside look, what I like to do is take them and put them in, yes, my self-watering pots right here. I picked a few of these with a pop of color to kind of go there. And although they might look like, are they too big, too small? I like the idea of them sitting there. I don't always feel like my flowers have to overpower and bulge out. That one I'm going to put a few rocks in, but you can see I get just a little bit of flavor of color with it, which I think looks really good. So you could style them that way and have them outdoors. Easy peasy lemon cheesy. If you're looking at the other ones I have there, those are some of the ones from last year. I know. See what I'm saying? Like, I just love that I can add to them as well too and add a little more pizzazz. So you can see how good that looks. But let me show you what I did here. So here, I've got a few of the more geometrical ferns, and I'll show you how easy. Like, should it be this easy to decorate? Probably not. I can just pop them on just like this. This one here. That one right there. See, look. And then I'm going to grab the lavender one and put that one down here. And now my bench area looks like I've spent a lot of time decorating it when I just popped them on to make it easy. Beautiful. One of the great things about your Wicker Park spheres, they come with stakes, they come with zip ties, and they even come with the hook. So they make it really easy for you to put them in the ground if you like, or you hang them, or even stake them in. And I'm going to show you right now this little trick that I love about the way that they design these. While I like the idea of putting this right here on this basket, one of the things I love about this is that you can divide and conquer. So when you think you're getting one, you're actually getting more than one, because these spheres actually come apart. So you'll find that there's little levers. You just pull that apart right there and the whole thing comes right apart, which also means you can put lights in them and light them up if you need to for a special occasion. But it also means you can take them fully apart like this. And then all I do is pop that here. Now I can get another one, get another vase and put that on a second one just like that. So I've actually saved money and conquered more. Love that. The other thing I love about this too is it's going to give, you could actually use these when you're putting them on the ground, whether you're going to stake them or not, you can get some really pretty covering on the ground. Let's take a look at that. So you just take it and find the spot inside. They pull apart just like that. And now I can use them as ground covering. They're like tiny bushes I can stake into the ground. And now my ground looks pretty too. Make sure you're adding to that by grabbing the beautiful wreaths, indoor, outdoor as well. And with your wreaths, now you're going to be able to add a little color. I love the hanging baskets too, friends. If you can swing them all, especially at the special price on the day that's today's special value, that's the first Thursday in March, it's so worth it because look, you can have that whole look going on there. Hello, so good. So if you want to hang it, for example, on a door, on a window outside, you can hang that and have that beautiful pop of color there, or do your hanging basket from the ceiling, from your roof, have your actual wreath, and then of course have this feel. I put all details down below for you to get them. Take them while you can because they're going to go very quickly. They're available on TikTok, QVC, and also on Like to Know. I've got links to all of those below so you can get best deals. Use the comment section. I'd love to know what you think about this. Also, please be sure to subscribe. And if you'd watching is so big for me all right now. I'm on a goal to get to 3,000 hours. Every moment you watch helps. So I appreciate you in advance. Hope you enjoyed this special styling moment and that you get the ones you're looking for because I cannot wait to see what you come up with. With your designs, let me know. Happy decorating!